Hi, it's Sarah. So I'm coming on today to talk to you about green cleaning, and we also call it low tox cleaning or low tox living. So firstly, I just want to talk to you about a toxin. So a toxin is a substance that we cannot process in our body very easily at all. And it's generally, when we're talking about cleaning and what's around us, it's things that are synthetic, so man-made, and fragrances, anything like that that our body just cannot process. It does not process. So then it is putting strain on our kidneys, our liver, even our lungs when we're inhaling, our skin because it's coming out through our pores. So it is affecting the whole of our body. And they can cause damage within our body. So when we put our focus on getting rid of toxins, like cleaning toxins, substances that don't work in our body, when we really put the focus on that around our home and where we're living and everything like that, our body then starts to function easier. So at the moment in this world, there are so many more issues that our bodies are having. So we've got more chronic illnesses and diseases, more skin issues, all sorts of things. And a lot of it can be lessened by looking after our body better, by being aware of what we're surrounding ourselves with and what we're putting into our body. So this is where green cleaning or low tox cleaning and living can really make a difference. So I came across doTERRA when we were doing an extension on our home, and we were having a new kitchen, and I just wanted to have a fresh start, really have a deep clean of the whole house and just get rid of so much stuff. And you may be like I was. I had so many cleaning products, like literally I'd open under my sink in my kitchen and my utility room, and they'd just be falling out. I'd have something for everything. And this is one way that I literally clean with. I have one bucket that I clean with, one little plastic bucket that I clean with, and I carry it around the house, and it's kept under the sink. And this is all I use. And I'm going to show you what's in this. And the basis of this is using products that our body can, they just, even if we inhale them, they're so natural, you know, in a way that actually, well, they're doing us good. They are absolutely doing us good. They are not harmful to our body unless you use them incorrectly, but they are not harmful to our body. They are actually energizing us, the products that we're using to clean with. So it's about using a natural, non-synthetic, non-man-made, no fragrance, synthetic fragrance. So these essential oils, they are fragrant, but they are completely 100% natural and pure. Okay. So low tox living is all about getting the toxins out of our home and allowing our body to just work to its best, giving it a, you know, a fresh start. So what I would love you to do, if you want to accept this challenge, is have a walk around your home with a new, fresh eyes and have a look. Do you have plugins? Do you have air fresheners? Do you have like room sprays? Do you have like products that clean the sofas and make them smell better? No, please try it. Walk around, have a look at what you're cleaning with. Have a look at, like, are you cleaning your bath with bleach and then bathing your kids in it? Are you wiping the sides with harmful sprays and then making your food and then eating off it? So every tiny little bit all the time has been digested and ingested into our bodies. So just have a look with fresh eyes. What is it? What are you washing your clothes with? And just start to have a look and see what you could very easily just take out and get rid of. You know, I had that thought like, oh, well, I've spent money on it. But actually, what's more important, my health or a few pounds on this cleaning product. Yeah. You'll find that it will really help. So just try. I challenge you to just have a bit of a detox, have a bit of a get rid of those synthetics out of your home, and then start to see how you feel. You may breathe better. You may get rid of foggy head. You may get rid of, if you have like this sinus here, I know hay fever's around at the moment, but you may find that you get rid of this and you're just clearer thinking. Your skin might clear up. Just try it. I am here just to share my experiences, and it is up to you whether you want to run with it and take it on board, but I am here to share it with you. Okay, so I'm going to show you very, very simply what I use. So this is one of the main products that I use. So it's called On Guard Cleaning Concentrate. Okay, now on here it has the exact instructions on how to use it, how many you put in for surface cleaning, washing your pots, bathroom. And I have worked out that you can make 18 plus bottles of this from one of these. So literally you're only using, for surface spray, 2 tablespoons of this. You put that in there and then you fill that up with water. 18 of these to this. And I think it works out at about 75p per one of these when you do it. Okay, and I have 3 of these bottles. So I have one surface, so just stick a spray on it, surface spray. I have one which has, it's called glass. So within my surface spray, sometimes I just use this with water, but sometimes I add some essential oils. So I love lavender or wild orange or lemon or peppermint, depending on where I'm using it. And I just put a few drops in and it just, oh my God, amazing. And this is safe with kids. So like literally you can spray it on you. And it smells amazing. So this has got wild orange in. Absolutely amazing. And the On Guard smell, it has clove, rosemary. Oh, I love it. It smells so clean. So surface spray. Then this is a glass one. So glass, I put one of these in, 1 spoon of this in. I put some white wine vinegar in and fill up with water. And then I put lemon in as well, because lemon is really good degreaser. So if you've got grease on anything, this is really good. It cuts through it. So I put a few drops of lemon in, which smells amazing. So I use this on like my shower cubicles, my mirrors, my windows. And the other really good tip is to get a really good microfiber cloth. Okay, so you can get ones that are specific for glass. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. The cloths that we use make so much difference as well. And you don't need many. Use them, pop them through the washing machine, put them back in your cleaning tub. Simplify, 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 simplify. And then my other one I have is for my bathroom. Again, I use 3 tablespoons of this in here. And in my bathroom one, I love to put peppermint. So a few drops of peppermint oil in as well. And that's it. The only other spray I have is my yoga mat spray, which I have in here. I don't put any oils in that because then I can choose what I have. I literally just use this. The other thing that we use is for hand washes. So we have this as our hand wash. So it's a foam pump. So you pop it in there and you get, these are refillable. So this you can use, you fill it up to about here and then you fill the rest up with water. And it's amazing, these. And they do really nice brown bottles of these now. I'm not as keen on these. So they do really lovely, these ones in like a brown, really beautiful. I haven't got it in here with me. So it's really simple, really simple. I have 3 bottles, 3 bottles that I clean with, 2 refills. We have these hand soaps in all of the bathrooms, refillable. And you can then customize what you want to put in. Customize what you want to put in them. And if you don't want to buy these, you can literally use essential oils with sprays in water. So tea tree here is one of your best antifungal, antibacterial. So you can just use this with water in here. This is pure. It is not synthetic. It is completely from plant essence. Okay. And every time you use it, you're literally inhaling it. Like when I clean the bathroom now, I'm like, oh my God, this is amazing. It's like having a spa. I clean it naked and have the shower on and, oh, love it. So you've got to bring joy into it as well, which I know sounds crazy, but clean with joy, clean with gratitude that we have a home to clean, all our possessions. That's a whole other topic. So, detox. If you have any questions about any of this, pop me a message. I sell a green cleaning recipe book, and it goes through all sorts of things. So I also make, these are bath bombs, not bath bombs, sorry, these are toilet bombs actually, but you can make bath bombs. These are toilet bombs made of citric acid, bicarbonate of soda, essential oils, tiny bit of this, and I make them in ice cube trays, and then I just pop these in the toilet. I also make jars of bicarbonate of soda. So it's a jam jar, and I poke holes in the top, fill it halfway with bicarbonate of soda, and then I put peppermint, sometimes lemon, and tea tree. I just pop a few drops in the top. I love spearmint as well, and I keep that in the shoe cupboard. And once a month, every other week, we basically just, I shake it up, cover it, shake it up, and just put a few more drops in. And the bicarbonate of soda is amazing because it soaks up any moisture from the air as well. And these get rid of any bacteria. And the peppermint is the fresh, cleansing, fresh, clean smell. Also, what's really good that we do is just put 1 drop of this on a tissue and pop it in trainers that smell. That's amazing. There's so many tips and tricks. So I've got a green cleaning book that you can buy. It's literally just a print off, or you can keep it just on your phone. I'll pop the link to that as well. So yeah, any questions? If you want to get started with the essential oils, this is what I do. I sell essential oils, so I can open the door for you. We can have a chat. We can work out which ones. It may just be 2 or 3, or you may love a kit. So this is what I keep some of my essential oils in. Beautiful box. And I can help you get started, help you on your journey, and carry on and guide you through. Okay, so I'm sending you loads and loads of love. I hope you've enjoyed this and it's been informative. Okay, lots of love. Bye.